Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and here we are, the long-awaited Mother's Day tablescape in rose gold featuring Totally Dazzled. I am so excited about this tablescape, guys. It's right up there with the white and gold one from Christmas. But I want to tell you, I started out with a clean table, and you always want to start off with a clean table. And then as you can see, I have a tablecloth, you guys. And here we are, a rose gold sparkling tablecloth. And it's sequins. And as you can see, I forgot that my table seats 8 instead of 6. So I purchased it a little bit too short as far as long is concerned. But all in all, I love it. I love the way the whole thing came together, and I'm just superly excited. So after that, I put on my handy dandy mirror, which is always probably going to be a permanent fixture. I just think it adds elegance and class, and it gives another dimension to the table. I can't believe I got this from Lowe's because it has bevel edges and all, and it was a steal. So that's a quick and affordable way to bring depth to your table as well. So now here is our centerpiece. You will see a front view in just a moment, but it's two separate pieces, and it's rose gold and white flowers mixed in with it. And even the back is all the way around. You can see that it's a beautiful piece. And I love the way they came out. They're alike, but they're not alike. They're similar, but not alike. So I think that also adds depth. And here's the front view. And I've added the pearl, Mother's Day pearl Lazy Susan that I DIY'd for you guys back a little while ago. And so I think that's another dimension and another layer that's going to bring the tablescape up a little bit more as well. And here I'm just showing you it from end to end, and you can see, guys, that they're alike but not all the way alike. And now I have added 3 of the candles to the Lazy Susan, and I just guys, I can't say it enough how much I love this tablescape. It sparkles, it glitters, it screams elegance, it screams queen, and that's what my mom, my sisters, and my girls are to me, queens. And see, I've added the mother sign or the mom sign to it as well. So I'm just building and building and building. And so all I can say is that some people might say it's too much, but I don't think so. I think it's just the right amount of elegance to this table. And so I'm giving you another view, just giving you a close-up of the mom sign on the Lazy Susan. And I've added those candles, and can you believe them? They came from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree now offers the beveled crackled round candle holder. So I was blessed to find those at my Dollar Tree. So I have a mixture of the tall one and the round beveled or crackled glass candle holders, and they run from end to end and even on the back side. So I just think that is beautiful. It's like you can still see through them, and this is another view of it, the side view. And as you can see, you can't quite see the ones in the back, but they're nestled in the floor arrangement as well, and all the way down. So I didn't want to forget about one side or the other. Guys, I want to welcome all our new YT family members also. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And see, now I've added the other 2 sets of candle holders. Now you can't see it in this clip, but on the ends, each ends, there is the tall one and then the medium sized one. And you'll see it in the next clip where the small ones are up in the center area of the centerpiece. And here's the view I'm talking about. And the medium height one is kind of in the floor arrangement somewhat. It sits inside of it. So I think that is beautiful. Now when you get a closer view, you'll see that the smaller ones are on either side of the Lazy Susan centerpiece. So what you think so far, guys? Do you think it's coming together? I think this one is up there with, like I said, the gold and white one. It's a close. I don't know, guys. I think this one might have it for me. I think this one may be it right now. But you guys let me know what you think. Which one do you like the best? Okay, so here is a closer view. I've added some of the Totally Dazzled brooches and stuff in the florals and on the mirror. On the Lazy Susan, you can see the flat backs, and as you can see, I set a napkin ring inside the O on the mom sign. And then as you can see, I topped it off with another brooch on the other end. So yeah, thank you Totally Dazzled for making this vision in my head come to reality. I think your pieces complement this very well. I will tell you guys to go ahead over and see Natalie at totallydazzled.com or Totally Dazzled here on YouTube and order some of their beautiful pieces. Okay, so now here are our DIY chargers. We have 4 of each. We have 4 of the ones that you guys saw me make on the channel, and then there is 4 ones that you haven't quite seen yet. And I think I'm gonna give you a view of, now the ones that's on your left and your right of the screens is the one that you did not see me make. But don't you think they all go in hand in hand? And even though the color is not a pure rose gold, it still ties in all together. It still looks like it belongs together. And I'm gonna show you a front view in just a moment. Okay, and here's the front view of that. The one in the middle you saw me make, and the one on the ends, that one right there to your bottom left and the bottom right is the ones that I made. That's the one I made off camera. And as you can see, I have my first 2 layers up there. And that plate is the salsa is a Goodwill find, and I brought it home and I hand painted the edges rose gold, but they only have 7, so I'm on the lookout for an 8th one so I can paint that as well. The edges was silver before, so I think that rose gold is awesome. And now here's the plain white bowl. And as you can see, the salsa just breaks up the white just a little bit. And I love this charger right here, guys. I have to say it was the easiest one to make, but it packs a powerful punch to me. And here is the wine glass, and I have another glass, and I wanted the wine glass to be the center of attention, so that's why it's taller than the actual drinking glass. And the next clip is the silverware, guys. And of course, you know, I could not find rose gold silverware, real silverware, but if I did, you know, it would have been really expensive. So I ordered this heavy duty. It's sort of like the Dollar Tree gold ones and silver ones. I mean the silver ones, but they're a little bit more sturdier than that. And I just broke the pair off. I didn't put all the silverware on one side. I broke it off with the spoon on the right and a knife and a fork on the left. And here is another featured Totally Dazzled napkin ring. And I just have the napkin draped over the plate, the plate, the saucer, and the bowl. Sort of like a bow at the top. So like they're opening a present when they sit down to eat. And I like the way, I like that look. This is the first time I've ever draped the napkin over the plates like this. Okay, and here is another view. This is the front view. The head table view. And isn't that gorgeous? It's just, and it only gets better from here, guys. It only gets better. So I'm just loving the way that it turned out. I'm loving the way that everything complements each other. And right here, I'm showing you that even with a clear bowl and a white saucer with the silver bling on it, it still looks good with this. Even though it's not rose gold trimming, it still looks good. I think you can get away with going with all clear dishes or completely all white. And you could put some gold bling wrap around the saucer. But I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like with the clear bowl on it. And here is another view of the side. Trying to figure out what I added, because normally each clip I add something. I'm probably just showing you an overview of everything again. Okay, and this is a different angle. This is from the opposite head table end, and it's with the natural lighting. It's not with any man-made lighting. It's man-made lighting. It's the light switch. But I just wanted you guys to see if it was just with the light switch light. And I added the white pillow. I forgot to put the other one down there, and I was going to put rose gold bling around it with a brooch, but I forgot to do that as well. But I think that's going to be pretty as well, because it's just going to give that other element. It's going to pull the chair into it. And I'm showing you that I have the candles in now. And guys, the tea light candles I got from TJ Maxx, and the smell is to die for. Has a vanilla looking smell, a vanilla scent kind of to it. And now here is a view of with the candles on. Don't you think it's gorgeous? I do. I think it's gorgeous. I can't say it enough. Gorgeous, elegant. I just love it. I love that centerpiece. It couldn't have happened better that way if I really planned it. Well, I did kind of plan it, didn't I, guys? But I'm going to show you another view with the lights off soon. But I'm just going to take you around the table so you can see all parts of all sides of the table. And guys, those little brass salt and pepper shakers came from the Dollar Tree. They're not rose gold, but they tie in with the tables all the same, and it's one on both ends, a set on both ends. And as you can see, the back side is just as pretty as the front. I wanted to think about everybody when we all sit down to eat. I want everybody to have a beautiful view. I just love my mom sign. And guys, in the tall candles is a floating candle. And look at that view. Look at that view, guys. Look at that view. Tell me that isn't beautiful. Okay, guys, so we're coming to the end. So I want you guys to tell me down in the comment section, what's your favorite part of the table? Do you think it's too much, just enough? What do you guys think? So let me know down in the description box. If you're not already part of our YT family member, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and then the notification bell. So guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, guys, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. So look at this view until we leave. Kisses, smooches. Bye bye.